Welcome to our channel, Get Cooking Now. My name is Laddie and today we will show you a detailed step-by-step recipe to make a delicious dessert with homemade curd. Our recipe for today is thick and creamy, delicious Shrikhand. Step 1. Preparing the hung curd. Take a bowl and place a strainer on top of it, making sure the strainer doesn't touch the inside bottom of the bowl. Place a cotton, muslin or cheesecloth on the strainer. You will need 2 cups of curd which will be placed in the strainer. To learn how to make curd, watch our thick and creamy homemade curd recipe. The link for this video is available at the top right hand corner of your screen now. We have also provided this link in the description box. We need to strain the curd to remove all the liquid or whey from the curd. We need to tie the cloth securely to prevent the curd from falling out from the cloth. I've inserted a stick in between the knots to enable us to hang the cloth with curd on a bowl or utensil so that the cloth doesn't touch the drained liquid. Hang the curd in room temperature for around 1 to 2 hours, or you can place it in the fridge overnight. The more you drain the liquid, the better will be the texture of the Shrikhand. Hung curd after draining out all the liquid. Save the liquid which is drained out of the curd. This liquid is called whey and has lots of nutritional benefits. This whey can be used while preparing soup, chapatis, rotis, curries, etc. Hung curd is ready. Step 2. Preparing the Shrikhand. Take 6 tablespoons of sugar powder or fine sugar. Sugar powder can be made by grinding sugar in a dry mixer. Half teaspoon of green cardamom powder or elaichi. Place the hung curd in a bowl. Add 4 tablespoons of sugar powder or fine sugar. Add the green cardamom powder or elaichi. Whisk or beat it until it becomes smooth and creamy.
Help us spread the love for goancuisine. Give us a thumbs up if you like our videos, and please share them with your friends and family so that they can also benefit from our recipes. Do comment with your feedback and suggestions to help us make our videos even more better for you.
Add the remaining 2 tablespoons of sugar powder. For further details regarding this or any of our other recipes, always refer to the description box for accurate and updated information. Taste and add extra sugar powder if required. Thick and creamy, delicious Shrikhand is ready. Refrigerate the Shrikhand for at least 1 to 2 hours before serving. This will make it nice and thick. Garnish the Shrikhand with chopped almonds or pistachios. Enjoy this temptingly delicious Shrikhand with hot puris.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.